The 1,000-mile tree, the historic spot. And then we're gonna head down the canyon, down this way. And we're gonna go get the Devil's Gate Bridge later on. Well, hold on. Welcome guys, this is Dancing with Owls. How you doing today? Hey, we're gonna look at the 1,000-mile tree today and also Devil's Gate Bridge. But first, if you haven't subscribed, it's free. Please subscribe. And if you can, hit the like button. It'll help with the analytics and get this video out. And also, I'll be bringing some more great content as time passes. So thank you guys so much for supporting me in this. A little history behind the 1,000-mile tree. When Durant and his party were coming across the plains and they hit Weber Canyon, they hit the 1,000-mile mark, and the tree was sitting right there, so they named it the 1,000-mile tree. Now, a little history on the 1,000-mile tree. It's in Wilhelmus Pass up in Weber Canyon. About 1900, the tree died, and it stayed, the place stayed without a tree until about 1982, when railroad workers decided to plant a new one. So we are seeing the second 1,000-mile tree that was replanted years later. So anyway, thank you guys all for your support, and let's get on with it. Hey, Dances with Owls here. Hey guys, now we're going to show you Devil's Gate Bridge. I'm going to tell you a little story about it real quick. When Durant was taking his party up to the ceremony in Promontory, there was a problem here, and his engineer would not let him cross the Devil's Gate Bridge because there were some timbers that had fallen out, and he figured that the bridge would collapse. So the 119 that went to the ceremony was dispatched out of Ogden, Utah, and came up and grabbed Durant's cars after the other engineer pushed him across the bridge. So there's a little bit of history to this bridge. It has been redone several times, and I've tried to collect a lot of pictures of what it looked like and what it looks like today. So I hope you have fun, and thanks again, and we'll see you soon. Alright guys, a little story about Devil's Gate Bridge. Durant was on his way to the ceremony when a storm before the day he arrived here. This bridge was made out of wood, and some of the big timbers went down the Weber River. The engineer said, absolutely not, it will not hold a engine. I'm not going to drive over the bridge. So they were delayed here. So they got message down to Ogden, and we don't know. I don't know the engine that he was in. I hear that it was his little train was called the Durant Special. So I do not know. I have speculation which one it is, but I don't know. Anyway, and if everybody can tell me for the ceremony what engine brought him all the way here, because the 119 took him this way. But anyway, so he 119 comes up, connects the cars, and takes off. So this Durant was delayed here for, I don't know, a few hours, maybe a little bit more, but he was delayed here at this bridge. Now this bridge has gone down. It went from wood to kind of this metal stuff, and then I've got dates. I will show you the dates, but this is 1909 was when this part was redone, and then I think it's 1912 or something, I think the second one was done. So there are dates of when these were put back up, but these bridges have had different, they look a lot different than they do today when they were first put in. I'd like you to take a look, and I'll show you these foundations right here. The one of bricks, one that's up there. You can't see it very well, but where the brick wall is over there, those are original to the 1869 construction of this bridge. So yeah, this is called Devil's Gate Bridge, and it delayed Durant. And I know if Durant was alive today, he would say never stop here again. So there's your story. There's your story of Devil's Gate's Bridge. So I hope you guys like this. Yes, Durant was delayed for the ceremony. Matter of fact, with this little incident, Piedmont, and this incident here, the ceremony was supposed to take place on May 8th. He was delayed 2 days, and it didn't kick off until May 10th. Waiting for his little puny butt to get out there. So there you go. There's if you've ever heard that in history, there you go.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.